The following experiment is extremely dangerous and should never be attempted by anyone under any circumstances whatsoever. No matter how safe you think you're being, please do not attempt this experiment yourself. Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, where today I'm going to do another crazy ass experiment. Monster M3. This thing should really pack a punch in that tiny bottle. It's still a lot bigger than 5-Hour Energy. But you may be thinking, oh, you did a bottle of Monster before and it was a disappointment. Well, it was a large bottle. I didn't chill it first. And perhaps the positioning of it was all wrong for it to explode. Remember, a beer bottle did explode. And I'm hoping Erica here can do the same thing with that bottle of Monster Energy that Jareth did way back in season 4 with the beer bottle. Another difference, this has been chilled, and I'm gonna shake it pretty good first. The camera's been panned back a little so you can see the explosion. I don't think illumination's too important, because you don't really care too much about seeing the experiment. You want to see the explosion. Okay, time to get started. It's one of the most unreal explosions I've ever seen. Okay, that kind of result. Definitely don't want to do this son of a bitch at home or anywhere or ever. Okay, let's try to examine the host product. The bottom blew out. This is definitely not safe to try anywhere. This is not safe to try at home. It's not safe to try out in the field, anywhere. I mean, this thing, the second thing this season that took a door off the microwave. Granted, it's in better shape than that other microwave was in the Champagne, but still. Anything that can do something like that, door flying off could hit you, it's a deadly idea. Never do this at home, ever.